true self is without form.
Anyone particular y'all want to set up?
Good. Take high ground.
So,
It is not my preference to beat around the bush, but I will see them done.
Hopefully they play it dumb and just sit at the choke while we on high ground.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds. Please move behind the barrier. You may be surprised. I have received a number of upgrades since that battle.
Hello. Greetings.
For optimal chance of survival, stay in range of my barriers.
Hello.
get this shit done.
I recommend moving behind 5,
Hello there.
3, 2, 1. Attackers
Hello there.
incoming. Defend objective A.
And there we go. Someone's down.
This one on junk. Junk is low.
That's a Reaper.
Somebody's coming around.
Back in their own pocket. Nice, someone's down again. Ryan's still low.
We need slow just for driving door. Oh god, I fell.
Just gonna Ryan. Just gonna Ryan.
Loads off to the right.
Nice. Just gonna hug. Don't chase.
Almost got him. No, pull back.
Ah, I should have hit that. My bad.
Guns down.
Just gonna hug. Oh shit. Reaper no Wraith. Nice. I got harmony on you, Bastion.
I'm way back.
Oh, never mind. Your name is over. Just gonna Ryan. Ryan half.
Ryan's down.
Shit.
Is it one more?
Guns down. Fuck. Gangbang.
The cycle begins.
Yeah, no.
Objective lost. Stop the
That was a good
pain.
fight.
Yeah.
You guys can keep an eye.
They don't
out.
have a hit scan. If we could switch to a Pharaoh, they can't do anything about it. If any of our DPS are good at Pharaoh.
There's a Reaper over here. There's like a B. Double.
Just gonna Ryan.
Ryan's super low.
I got you, dude. My bad.
Dead.
Reaper Discord. Good job, Doom. Just keep backing up with me, Orisa.
Ryan's low.
Just going on Moira. Hog is trying to flank right side. Reaper behind us. Got you, Bastion.
Oh, you're a hero, Zen. Got my ult. On the payload.
There's one on the pop up here for some reason.
Stagger him if you can. Okay, just go
No,
kill
he's
him.
backing off.
Oh, okay. Hog left side trying to flank. He's coming around by you, Moira. He's low.
Moira's low.
Shit. Soldier on me.
Oh, shit.
Hawk down.
Yeah, they stopped that soldier and flanked.
Oh my god.
I see more are all in this building on the left.
Overconfidence is a flimsy shield.
Murillo. She's like literally one.
Soldier low. He's to the left.
Get this right.
Hawk in the pocket.
Get into position.
Just gonna hog. Hog low. Nice. Junkrat, nice. Get this Moira. Stagger her real good. We got this going on no fade. Nice, good job.
Nice.
Soldier up top, be careful.
Push this shit back. Got a minute 20, that's doable.
Alright,
I'm underneath the bridge. So.
I got trans back up.
Alright. I'm 50 on my ult.
Alright, a minute. They said they got what? 2 pushes? We just have trans. Damn. He's setting up a shadow. Nice. Soldier ulting. Nice.
How did I survive that? Pretty healing.
Now I followed you with trans to keep you up. Like I used it to body block the soldier, and like as he died, I moved towards you.
Alright, staggered boots on that.
I'm not old.
Into the iris.
Coalescence is charging.
10 seconds.
Soldier back here again. I'm about to die. I'm in the open. My bad.
They're all coming.
Yeah, they
from
all went
behind.
around.
You down? I'm down.
Up my ult on the point.
Is not preordained.
Still winnable. I'm almost back.
I'm on
Oh, I died
fire.
when I
Shit, we don't have it.
There is disquiet in your spirit.
Come on.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Damn, the rest of us got shit spawned. Marvin Bastion, we're not gonna spawn there, yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to hold him off while you guys set up.
I'm right behind you, Orisa.
Mastery.
Alright.
Thank you.
I'll get pseudo skill for you back.
We lost our Doomfist.
Alright, I'm back.
60 seconds.
Alright, they got me.
This one soldier. I'm trying to put it on Ryan. I just got it on Ryan.
I'm over back.
I'll take it.
Ryan low.
Oh shit. What the hell? Y'all thought I was dead. I kind of fully stopped trying. That's fucking crazy.
30 seconds.
I got trans back up too.
Our enemies
Junkrat right side. He's one. Got him. Dude just ran towards me in a straight line. Like, what do you think was gonna happen? They're on me.
And with one, better.
Hey, dude, you can hop over on there.
Diva low. Out of a mech.
Got her.
Good job.
There we go.
switching sides. Prepare.
I'm gonna go Hanzo this first point, Sebastian after. A little bit better with him, do the choke.
self is without form. Steady. A chance to focus.
Talk to the feast. Group up with me.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Combo breaker.
You guys want to head straight down the middle or bottom?
Attack
Bottom.
commences in 30 seconds.
You could go bottom. Just in case they try and set up high ground, we just go around them.
Gotcha. Alright.
Just do this one and just straight around.
V1.
5, 4, 3,
Alright, let's do this.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Alright, I'm gonna pop the sonar up there real quick.
You see what they set up?
I found it.
Reaper no wraith, Reaper no wraith. He's coming around the right side. Never mind. He just changed his mind.
Oh shit, they're running double shield.
Might be a
Just gonna Reaper. Orisa half.
Oh, he down?
Nice. Watch your back. Reaper Discord.
Got my ult.
Just gonna Ryan. He's low. Ryan almost dead. He's one. Nice.
Back on point.
Oh shit.
Watch the Bastion. Reaper no wraith. He's not gonna charge. Shit, almost had him. Nice zone.
We don't.
I have trans.
Yeah.
Just gonna Ryan. I'm trying to put on an Orisa. Just go on Orisa. Got her.
I have no. One.
They should have gave Moira like a river dance instead of that weird punk rock shit.
Escort the payload.
More resistance, I forgot.
Nice, Doom.
I'm escorting the payload. Assistance requested.
Doom, if you could jump. Never mind, you too far. If you could jump in the air, I could throw Harmony on you.
In shadow.
I got this going on Ryan.
Resistance.
Shit.
Reaper behind us. Reaper behind us. Reaper low. No Ray. Got him.
Someone can get on the back end of the defensive.
I can't break that shield by myself, as in.
I'm doing a lot of damage to it.
First and I are almost there.
Oh, Orisa low. Disco on Mercy. I'm gonna go for a flank. I'm gonna try and flank. I killed Bastion.
I guess.
Nice. Nice. I almost killed that Mercy too, but I want to risk it. Nah.
I trans. Reaper's up top.
Just go on Bastion. Just go on Ryan. He's low. Just finish him.
Damn, dude. Yes, you did. Just
It's a nice spin move. Like the way he flopped, I thought he was still alive. Oh, they're so low. Orissa's low and never mind, just Orissa.
Resistance. Team up for special attack.
Nice. Huge. More got her.
I feel the warmth of the iris.
Is that bashing behind us or? Oh, now we good. I got trans again too.
To the full goal. Only one.
Yeah, pop it right now.
Trans? You want me to wait for him to ult?
We're almost there.
They're just not gonna stop us.
Literally none of them. Live. That's definitely.
Good job.
Nerf this.